Hello, how do you analyze stocks for swing trading if you are using long option long swing trading strategy? We have think of swing platform open, and you can use maximum daily chart or 1 year daily chart. But for some trend line that can be very low, you may not see them on 1 year daily chart. Therefore, we are going to use maximum daily chart. But either way, you swing trade on daily chart. At least that's what we do. So we have our stock watch list here, and in this part we are going to analyze the remaining, starting with TJX. So TJX, we have two uptrend line here. You can call them support line as well, or uptrend line. They pass by the lows of the chart, higher lows, because we swing trade large upward cap stocks, large cap upward stocks. Those support line are upward trending, if that is a thing. So I like to call them upward trend line. You can call them support line as well. And we have two here. That is, they are our entry point. I like to call them the valley as well. So we like to buy the stock at those lines. So we are going to wait at those lines, and we are going to compare where the price is right now to that line to see, well, is it close to it? Is it still far from it? So right now it seems to be following this trend line. Therefore, we are just going to keep waiting on it. But Friday, the price dropped that day. Those arrows just show where we purchased it in the past. The arrow at the bottom facing up just show where we bought it. The arrow at the top facing down show where we sold. The next one is TMUS. So TMUS, we have three trend lines here. We would like to buy at any one of them, but right now the price, this trend line ended, the price is going down, but still far from any one of those trend lines. So we are having an uptrend here, but yeah, and again, we bought it at this trend line quite a bit during 2024, bought and sold. Then that trend line ended, and we are having lower lows. This low is lower than this one, which is lower than this one. So lower lows and lower highs. This high is lower than this one, which is lower than this one. But because we are looking to buy stocks, we'll be talking more about the lows, because that's what we are looking at to determine when to buy. Therefore, the lows is what we'll focus on. And when it reaches the trend line and start making higher lows, there is where we will buy. So that is still far from the trend line. We are going to move to TRY. So TRY, we have two trend lines. It seems to breach this one. So we could be waiting to see if it's going to come down here or what. But this trend line, I can extend it. But we are just going to keep looking at it and see what it's doing. The next one is TRV. We purchased it this year. It is in our portfolio. So we have two trend lines to work with. We purchased it at this trend line. It went a little bit below it after we bought it. And okay, can you stay still? and a little bit below. Okay, let's just leave it be. But yeah, we bought it there. After we have one higher low here, and after that it pulled back on us and start creating a higher low here. So yeah, we are just going to keep observing it. But as you can see, at the trend line, it's good to see a few higher lows showing you like an uptrend. In fact, we did have that. This is still higher than this, which is somewhat higher than this, but it went back and create a lower low here compared to this one, but then create a higher low here compared to this one. And but yeah, it's still moving around here, and the goal is just to wait to have few higher lows to have a confirmation of an uptrend forming, and then you can buy at a first green bar or second green bar that follow a pullback. That way you have a confirmation that the price stopped going down and is getting ready to start going up again. But that is the objective. The next one is TSCO. So TSCO, we like to buy at this trend line, but right now is higher up. Friday the price went down. The next one is TYL. We like to buy at this line. It does make a big mountain and is making one here, but the price is still far away from where we like to buy. We just keep observing it. The next one is URY. URY, we purchased some. We have not sold it yet. And we have our trend lines. We purchased it somewhere there. That short trend line ended. The price pulled back, went below this one, and start going up. So we are just going to keep observing it. The next one is V. So V, we like to buy it next at this trend line, but right now it's going up. It's nowhere near ready to go down yet. So the next one is WAB. WAB, we have some in our portfolio, that's why it's highlighted. And we purchased it at this trend line. The price reached a high, and then that trend line ended. It pulled back, consolidated sometimes here, and now start making higher lows, like an uptrend is forming there. But yeah, that is a short trend line there. Okay, at least it is August trend line. So the next one is WM. And WM, we purchased it at this short trend line. That trend line ended, the price dropped, went through this one. In fact, I'm going to activate this trend line so that I can continue it. Seems to be a long one as well. We will see. Usually short trend line, once the price cross that trend line, I do not like to continue tracing it. That's why we have this that ended somewhere there. But those are longer trend lines, so I'll continue tracing it to see how they are going, how those two is a part of our chart analysis. So when it crossed it, it didn't really go all the way here, but start creating a higher lows here, which is a translation of a formation or an uptrend. line going there, but we bought it somewhere here, so we will wait and see. The next one is WMT, Walmart. So we have those two lines that we like to buy at, but right now it's following this trend line. It's not going that down yet, and we bought it quite a bit around this trend line in 2024, but is nowhere near ready to fall off of it yet. But yeah, and we can just wait on it at the purple trend line. The next one is WSO. WSO, we have it in our portfolio. We have not sold it yet. You can see that we traded quite a bit in 2024. Of course, we do have some arrows that don't have any business to be here though. But we bought it here and we sold it there. Or not, because we have yeah, some arrows are misplaced. So we bought it here, we sold it there, we bought it there, we sold it there, we bought it again, and well, that line ended and it sharply dropped to this trend line that we can extend a little bit, and it seems to be using that trend line as a support because it went below it and went above it, creating higher lows here. So maybe that's where you want it to be. So after another higher low here, it could be a good area to buy at the next green bar after that pullback. But because we already have some in our portfolio, we don't need to buy more, but we can still point out where we will have purchased it if we didn't have it in our portfolio. But this concludes how to analyze chart for swing trading if you are using long option on swing trading strategy. We use maximum daily chart. We have the green bar that signifies that the price went up that day. The red bar signifies that the price pulled back that day. The price at the end of the day was lower than the price in the morning when the market opened, therefore the price dropped that day. And the red bar, the green bar, the price in the evening was higher than the price in the morning. And you swing trade on daily chart. You take your time to pick good stocks for your watch list, and you use maximum daily chart or 1 year daily chart to analyze them on a daily basis. Whenever possible, you pick some lines to be your entry point, and ours we color them in purple so that we can recognize them very quickly. And those are longer than 1 year for us to wait at, waiting for those stocks to pull back on it. And after we notice few higher lows there, we can get in at the first or second green bar after a pullback. And when you are thinking about your entry point, you can think about your exit point as well. It could be the minimum between a new high, when it reach a new high, or when the minimum, not the minimum between the two, but it could be when it reach a new high, or when your minimum profit target is reached, and it could be 10% of how much you pay for it. And it's good to just start small. If the brokerage firm is not charging you a lot in brokerage fee, you can just start small, 1 share at a time. If that's what you are comfortable with, you buy with your own money. or $300 per trade, or 5% of your account value, whichever of those three that you are comfortable with starting with, and just start small and keep improving the strategy you are using to customize it to fit your risk tolerance, your personality trait, and to be, the strategy that you could use while working toward your financial goal. Just take your time to work on it, and just know that you can grow your account $1 at a time. Thank you. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in soap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. For more of our swing trading videos, will please check the description for the links to the playlists that we created related to those videos. And if you want to see how we pick stocks for our watch list, will please check the watch list playlist for those videos. And for all the videos related to this chart analysis of today, January 19, 2025, will please find the links of those videos in the description as well, and in this playlist. And for all other related videos, we have the playlist there for you to scroll to go through them and see, what information you find interesting to help you in your search. Thank you so much for your time.